Okay, so aluminum windows, pros and cons. The cons, probably one of the biggest cons with aluminum replacement windows is the high U value, which means aluminum conducts heat and cold. So when it's super hot outside, the heat from outside heats up the aluminum and transfers into the inside aluminum frame. There is literally no thermal break, and the same is true for extremely cold winters. When that aluminum gets cold, and it's cold to the touch, it'll actually transfer into the inside of the home. What this causes in colder climates is condensation. So when you have moisture, when you have high humidity inside of a home, and you have that aluminum with no thermal break, and that cold air comes through, it creates actually frost on the inside of the windows. Also, aluminum is one of the cons is it's not a good product to use on your east, west, south coast, anywhere where there's humid salt air, because aluminum will rust and corrode due to salt air. Now, with the pros, the affordability of aluminum, it's a very rigid, very strong product. They weld, the fasteners in aluminum are amazing. It's a very affordable option. It's cheaper than your fiberglass, they're cheaper than wood, not quite as cheap as vinyl, but it's a very affordable product. In warm, dry climates, it's very sustainable. It'll last for a very long time. And the maintenance on aluminum they're maintenance free, again, in a dry, warm climate. They're lightweight and strong, so they're very easy to install. A lot of homeowners can actually install aluminum windows because they're lightweight. They have a little bit of flexibility, but they're very strong. And again, in dry, warm climates, they are a great product. Now, with that being said, in this area of the country and the climate that we're in, you don't see a lot of aluminum replacement windows just because we have long, very cold winters. You're not going to find a lot of aluminum windows in the Midwest. Matter of fact, in the Midwest, in our climate, with our seasons, the moisture, the rainfall, the fact that our ground moves, a strong, more flexible building product is a lot better. Energy efficiency. You want a window that's going to be not only energy efficient in the heat of the summer, but also in the very cold of the winter. In all actuality, we replace a lot of windows. A lot of your original wood windows, double hung windows especially, have aluminum storm windows on the outside. Wood windows have really poor air infiltration ratings, so it was a tradition to put an aluminum storm window that actually had the screen and glass on the outside, and that was to prevent air infiltration. So yes, we still to this day replace a lot of those and just throw those aluminum storm windows away. Aluminum windows are actually still manufactured, and they're fantastic in like Arizona, Nevada, New Mexico, parts of Texas, Oklahoma, anywhere where you're going to have long, summers and not such drastic climate change, winters, falls, and springs. But yes, they are still made.